Why do 80% of businesses succeed with the right support? Because teamwork makes the dream work. At Alfafam, we understand that tough times can hit any business, but here's the deal. We believe in standing by our clients, especially when the going gets tough. It's not just about cutting prices, it's about investing in your success. Our services are designed to streamline your operations, optimize your processes, and drive growth. From operations management to digital marketing, we've got you covered. Our clients consistently praise us for our cultural fit, value for cost, and our unique approach to managing teams. And guess what? We're proud to have a 5.0 rating for service excellence. So, whether you're in construction, e-commerce, or a startup, know that Alfafam is here to help you navigate those challenging moments, because when you grow, we all grow. Ready to face your challenges head-on? Partner with Alfafam, contact us today, because helping each other grow is the best investment of all.